Today we're going to be hearing from our professional dancers at Ballet Palm Beach, so stay tuned. I'm Cheryl Ale, the founding director of RPM, Revolutionary Principles of Movement. I am here to teach dancers and teachers, to be the best that they can be. Because why? This is ballet for everybody. So Adriana is going to share some of her hair tips, fabulous, today with you, with me. Oh, it's gonna be fabulous. I need some help. Can you get me some spray?
Today we'll be discussing hair tricks for stage or performances. First off, finding a good hairspray is key. These are two different kinds that I have here. One is in an aerosol spray, and then this one's just a liquid spray. Both are really good. It's a dancer's preference which one they use, which one works best on your hair. But finding a good hairspray is key because you don't want flyaways during the performance and you want your hair to stay in the whole time. Next, brushes. I have a smoothing brush and I have a comb. There's also, the regular brush to tame your hair. These are just the two that I use. This one's really good for parting your hair, and then it's easier to swoop it, especially for low buns or French twists. This one's really good if you have to do a slick back high bun. And now we have some hair ties. There are two different kinds that I use. This one is good for like half up, half downs that go into a bun, whatever you want to use, or braids. This is a good hair tie. You want a nice, secure hair tie, tight, because you want it to hold again. And it's going to be under your bun, so you want to make sure that it holds your hair right. This next thing is bobby pins. There are different kinds. I like to use the small ones, but they have the big bobby pins that are like a V, and then they have the U, and they even have like bigger versions of this. And then another helpful tip is having a good pin bag. This one was made by the wardrobe mistress. She gifted this to us during Christmas, and it has a magnet at the bottom. So if you want to quickly grab your pins, you can just swipe them over your pins, and then they pick them up, and then you can take them off and put them in your bag. And there you have it.
If this is your first time to this channel, we'd love to hear from you. Please subscribe. Also, go check out CherylAle.com. This channel is all about helping dancers dance better and teachers teach better. And remember, hit that subscribe button.